Hi guys, I've just got a few things I want to share to you on inverse variation. So this is just my summary of how we can deal with questions on inverse variation and a bit explanation. So in this variation, when one variable increases, the other one decreases. Yeah. So if the value of y increases, the value of x decreases because it's an inverse. It will be 1 over the variable that we don't know. Yeah. So in this variation, when one variable increases, the other one decreases. When the value of y increases, the value of x decreases. We say that y varies inversely with x. Where y varies inversely with x, this is the symbol variation, 1 over x. And in an equation form, it will be k multiplied by 1 over x with k, where k is the constant of variation, so it will now be equals to k over x. Yeah, so let's just take a look on an example here. Given that y varies inversely with x and y is equals to 3 when x is equals to 2, find the value of k, the constant of variation. B, the equation connecting x and y in terms of x. Second question, why the value of y when x is equals to 3. And the last question, the value of x when y is equals to 12. So let's just take a look at these questions. So the first question says find the value of k, the constant of variation. So we were given that y is equals to 3 when x is equals to 2. So we know the value of y. The value of y is 3 here, and the value of x is 2 here. Yeah, so meaning 3 is equals to k over 2, and we cross multiply, and then we will have 3 multiplied by 2 here, and the answer we'll get is 6. So meaning k is equals to 6. Yeah, this part. After finding the value of k, we find the equation connecting the 2 points. So this is the format of variation, where the format we have y is equals to k over x. They said in terms of x, meaning x should be in an equation. So what is the value of k? The value of k is 6, and then we'll say y is equals to 6 over x. So this is the equation connecting x and y in this variation. Let's find the value of y when x is equals to 6. So let's use this equation we found here, yes, to find the value of y, because this is the equation of variation. So we will use this equation to find the value of y. So since we were given that x is equals to 3, what's the value of y? Since we know the constant here, we just replace here by saying y is equals to 6 over 3. So 3 into 6 is equals to 2. So this is the value of y when x is equals to 3. Yeah. And the last question says find the value of x when y is equals to 12. So let's find the value of x when y is equals to 12. So we use this the same equation to find the value of x. Since we are given the value of y, then it will be possible to find the value of x. So we say y is equals to 6 over x. We are looking for which value? The value of x. We can start by making x the subject of the formula, or just replacing in this equation like this. Yeah. So we will say y is equals to, we multiply both, we cross multiply, and then we'll have x is equals to 6 over y, and we have made x the subject of the formula here. So x is equals to 6 over y. And you replace, what's the value of y? The value of y is equals to 12, and say x is equals to 6 over 12, which we found as 1 over 2. So the value of x is 1 over 2. So we can use even this, here, this part, by just replacing. So we will say y, what's the value of y? The value of y is equals to 12. 12 is equals to 6 over x. We cross multiply, we will have 12x is equals to 6. We divide both sides by 12 for us to remain with it, for us to know the value of x. So x is equals to 1 over 2. So thanks for watching. God bless you.